book. First the elephant said we are in a book, then the pig did. We are
ing makes ing. Being. Red. That's a hard spelling.
Being red.
Mm-hmm.
We are being red. Now the pig said it first, and then the elephant.
O.
I have a good.
Mm-hmm.
I do here. Idea.
Mm-hmm.
Idea.
Mm-hmm.
I can make the reader
Yeah.
Hey.
sad.
So, why? Say.
Yeah. Say
Mm-hmm.
a
Weird.
Word.
I can make the reader say a word.
Say a word.
It's making you say words.
I don't want to read anymore because Daddy said he wanted to only say one page.
All right, buddy.
Okay,
You did a
you've
good
done
job.
Great, Evan. You've
Great
read
reading,
a lot.
buddy.
You've read like half the book.
Whoa.
We can read the other half.
It's fun having you read us books.
No, this page is funny. You want to read one more page? The elephant.
You can make the reader say a word. I can.
That's so good, buddy.
If the reader reads
Uh-huh.
out.
That was
That's hard, yeah.
Out. If the reader reads out loud, what is it?
If the reader reads out loud. Okay.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, Evan.
Really
High five.
good.
You did great.
Can I get one too? All right.